Jatayu Earth Center, also known as Jatayu Nature Park or Jatayu Rock, is a park and tourism center at Chadayamangalam in Kollam district of Kerala. It stands at an altitude of 350 m, 1,200 feet, above the mean sea level. Jatayu Nature Park holds the distinction of having the world's largest bird sculpture, which is of Jatayu. The sculpture measures 200 feet, 61 meters, long, 150 feet, 46 meters, wide, 70 feet, 21 meters, in height and occupies 15,000 square feet, 1,400 meters of floor area. It was sculpted by Rajiv Anshul. This rock-themed nature park was the first public-private partnership tourism initiative in the state of Kerala under the BOT model. The park is about 38 kilometers 24 miles away from the city of Kollam and 46 kilometers 29 miles away from the state capital, Tiruvananthapuram. After completion, it opened to visitors on the 17th of August 2020.